in your question, we have two lines cut by a transversal. They are named X, Y, and Z. The angles are listed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. Now we are told that X is parallel to Y. And we are also told that angle 7 is 81 degrees. So go ahead and put an 81 degrees right there. In part A, we are to list all angles whose measures would be 81. So because they're parallel, 5 would be a corresponding angle and be 81 degrees. 2 would be an alternate interior angle and be 81 degrees.